Fault code i30 on Westinghouse dishwasher WDF902. How to fix it at home. Rod at? I have drained the dishwasher and then the fault code i30 no longer showing and dishwasher worked fine for a few days and then fault reoccurred. Where would the leak be coming from to activate the flood sensor? By the way, what is the cost of obtaining your advice?
Welcome, my name is I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. When this happens, do you hear a pump constantly running? If so, what happens if you open the door? Thanks, Rob.
Yes, the pump is constantly running and we're pretty sure it stops when the door is opened.
How great the code is, as you suspected, because water has gotten into the base where the pumps are. This has to be dried out for the machine to reset as you have done this before. It sounds like there is a definite leak. Remove the lower kick panel, under the main door, lay on the floor with a torch and watch carefully as the machine goes through a cycle. You should then be able to determine where the leak is. The most likely culprits are a leaking hose or the pumps. Can I ask you to take a moment and rate my responses so far? Please use the smiley faces which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. This will not close your question and you can still come back to me if you need more help. Thanks, Rob.
If it is a faulty hose or leaking pump, where is the best place to obtain parts for it? Also, are the parts breakdown diagram and disassembly/assembly diagrams available for this dishwasher?
Hi, in Australia, the best place for these spares is from Westinghouse themselves. Please go here for the nearest center to you. Unfortunately, there are no service manuals as such, as they train their own engineers. However, most items are accessible, even though it is a bit cramped under there. Thanks, Rob.
Hi again. I've removed the front kick panel and there's no way I can see into the pumps/hoses to locate the leak into the anti-flood switch area. From what I can see, you would have to remove all the front dishwasher leg support bracket to gain further access. Is this correct?
Hi, you can take off the lid, then the two side panels. This will give you more area to view and better access.
Thanks for that. I will remove some more covers and explore a little further in the morning.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.